If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To first enable account numbering in your company file before assigning account numbers, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the Account and Settings link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu. Click the Advanced link that then appears at the left side of the Account and Settings window. Then click the Chart of Accounts section that appears to the right to edit its settings. Click the Enable Account Numbers toggle switch to set it to the On position to enable account numbering. To show account numbers in transaction forms and reports, then check the Show Account Numbers checkbox. Then click the Save button at the bottom of this section to save your changes. Then click the Done button in the lower right corner of the window to close it. To then assign account numbers, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar once again, and this time click the Chart of Accounts link under the Your Company heading in the drop-down menu to open the Chart of Accounts list. Click the Batch Edit button, which looks like a pencil, in the upper right corner of the Chart of Accounts list to open a new page that lets you edit the account names and numbers. Enter or edit the account numbers for your accounts in this page by typing them into the number column that appears. Account numbers in QuickBooks Online Plus can only be up to 20 digits long. If desired, you can also edit the account names by using the Name column. When you are finished batch editing the records, click the Save button in the upper right corner of the page to save your changes and close it. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.